In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a custom member login page in Wix. By the end, you'll have a clean, branded login experience and a members area that feels fully integrated with your site's design. Start by opening your site in the Wix Editor. This is where you'll do all the visual editing for your pages and components. Once you're in the editor, open the Add panel and look for the Community category. This is where Wix groups all of its member-related elements, so it's the perfect starting point for building a custom login experience. Add a members list to your page. This widget displays profiles for your community and gives you a central place to manage its look and feel. Next, from the same community area, add a login bar. This element gives visitors an easy way to sign in or join your site. Drag the login bar to a prominent location, like the top of your page or your header, so it's easy to find. With it selected, open Set Up Login Bar. Switch to the logged out state so you can control what visitors see before they sign in. Here, you can adjust the text, choose whether to show sign up and login choices, and fine-tune alignment so the bar blends seamlessly with your layout. Now, open the Members Widget settings to customize how your member area looks and behaves. In Layout, decide how profiles are arranged and how much information is shown. Keep it simple if you want a clean, modern feel. In Display, choose the elements you want visible, such as names or profile images, and align them with your brand's tone. Move into Design to set colors, fonts, buttons, and borders, so everything matches your site's style. Small adjustments here, like consistent button styles and clear contrast, make a big difference. In Settings, review options that control who can join and how members interact. This is where you ensure the experience aligns with your community's goals. Head to Badges to style and display member badges if you use them. Matching them to your palette helps everything feel cohesive. And if you ever need guidance, the support section inside the widget provides help resources tailored to these features. When everything looks right, click Publish to save and push your changes live. That's it. Your custom member login page and members area are ready. If you want to